What's going on? What's going on, everybody? We about to get right on into this daily, not daily, well, daily live stream. We about to get right on into it. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? About to get right on into this daily, not daily, well, daily live stream. We about to get right on into it. Alright, that should be cool. I was just listening to the audio back just to make sure the settings were good. I'm gonna make the music slightly louder, and I think that should be good for you guys, if I'm being honest. But we have news today at 8:30, which passed, which was, let's see real quick. Let's get off of US 30. Look at NAS. US 30 is very, very annoying. We're just gonna get to the markups right now. First things first, we're gonna start off by marking up the previous day's highs and previous day's lows. Yeah, make everything perfect. Let me get the magnet. We can see the previous day's high has already been ran through. Previous day's low, still all the way down here. So the previous day's high has been targeted, meaning prices at least more likely to continue bullish, just because it's already showing that prices broken the previous day's high and likely to run more liquidity. And we can see right now is running this high over here too from Monday. It just ran Monday's high, so there is a potential chance that price might potentially try to retrace and go lower. But first, let's look at the other areas in price. We have the Asian session range, so let's mark that up. We're going to use our indicator. We have the Asian session range right here. Not sure why this is like that, but hey, it is what it is. We have the Asian session range right here. Let's get the 12 a.m. open. Boom. Damn, I be drawn. Oh yeah, I got you guys. Damn, why do I always do this, bro? Every time, bro. Every time. That's just crazy. That's just crazy, bro. We back, guys. We back. Damn, I be drawn. Hold on, let me get Martin in here too. Damn. We're off to a fun morning. Hold on, I'm just sending the link to Martin real quick. Alright, but all I did, marked up the previous day's low, which is right here, the previous day's high right here, and it did get ran through. As you can see, price ran through the previous day's high. We have Monday's high, well, not Monday, Sunday's high from over here, Sunday, when the market came up, cleared this high, made this high. We just cleared it, so there is a chance price may potentially want to go lower. And I'm looking at where price is. We have this 12,500 level, so if we can get a retracement, I may think price may potentially want to go lower. If we can retrace back into 1250, potentially clear this high right here and tap into, ideally I would want to go short within this order block. So yeah, right around here, something like this potentially, that could be a good trade. And if we look at timing, might be a good idea. Not gonna lie to y'all. Then we have the 12 a.m. open. The price has already been bullish, and after we cleared these highs, we'll see. But first, because the one thing I don't like about bullish, we didn't really make a low. What's going on? Yeah, I hear you, bro.
Andre, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. You hear me?
I can't hear you, bro.
Got you. You can hear me? Not you guys. I'm trying to talk to Mario. You hear me, bro? I am. Hold on, I got this. I'm a pro. Yo. You hear me? I think I know what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Hold on, everyone. Dang. Alright, hold on. We about to get right on into it, so just give me a second, bro. Wait, you can hear me? Wait a minute. You hear me now? Alright. You hear me through this? Am I like really loud right now? Hold on. Tell me if you hear me. Tell me if you hear me. Do you hear me? Do you still hear me? You don't hear me? Alright, bet. Is this? Alright, bet. Alright, we just finessed. You don't hear me, bro?
Yes.
Damn. You hear me, bro?
Yeah, I can hear
Alright,
you.
bet. Damn. It's like weird. Like you hear me through the headset on my John, but I wanted you to hear me through the new mic. But the people on YouTube hear me through the new mic. But then I had to make sure that they could hear you too. It was shit, man. Fuck this shit.
Can you move the mic away from being so close to your mouth, though? Yeah, that shit was wild.
Right here, is
Like
it still out?
Good.
That's good. All right, bet. But now, right now, I'm ideally looking to potentially go short. If we can retrace back to 12,500 potentially. I know price already broke this previous day's high, but if I'm looking at how price moves, we failed to break a big figure level. We came below it after clearing Sunday and Monday's high. So I'm thinking there's a potential chance we might reverse. And even if it's just not a long-term reversal, I know there's a chance price could try to come down for a London continuation potentially, but I don't like the way this buy setup looks like it looks, in my opinion. If I pull a fit from the London low, I think it's only going to be a 38.20% retracement more than likely. Yep. So more than likely this isn't going to be a long-term move right here potentially. Then I could look to short it down to at least these levels and then maybe try to get out around 12,400, which is 100 points. So if I can maybe have a 50-point stop loss, it's gonna decide whether I get in here. Hold on. 41 points. I can get a potential 1 to 2 if I get in at 12,500. I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. Yeah, we're getting a lot of rejection. I just gotta get a good entry. So I'm still holding my long from this guy. Oh shit. Damn, we up. If we fly, I'm still holding my yesterday's long. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oh, that was a good entry,
It.
man. That's gonna be a nice one.
650 points. Not bad.
That's really good.
It's a 650. 6-4. Yeah, 640. Prices looks like it's trying to retrace already. Not gonna lie. I'm trying to be patient and wait for we tap. Ideally, when we clear these highs, so I'm gonna give it some time.
Yeah, it's already taken off. It's already what 471, 470. That's 30 pips from target entry.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait.
Reward.
I'm not gonna hop in yet.
That'll definitely mess up the risk to reward.
No cap.
Yeah, about 38, depending on the entry. 36 to 40. Target the fair value. Nah, what can we target? Let's see the Asian session time maybe.
Let me see how these higher time frames look. Alright, this is on the 1 hour. Price looks like it might try to go higher on the 1 hour. But there's still room for it to come lower. I'm just looking at the big figure level. It depends if we could get above 12, 4. Fuck, damn, I'm looking at this. 12,500 shit. Fucking smack. I'll be on some fucking high shit. Nah, we gonna see though. I ain't even stressing to take a trade. I'm up like 4.6% from yesterday, so shit, I'm cool. Fucking cool, bro. I ain't rushing nothing.
Nothing.
I'm trying.
But that's that one trade you were talking about, like.
That's all you need, bro.
One trade.
Like shit. All you need is 0.5. All you need is one winning trade. All you gotta do is you can lower your risk even if you want to.
Technically, that's what Chinaman was saying. He was like, you could take 2 trades in a day, but you just gotta risk 0.5% and 0.5%. That's your game plan. And I was like, all right.
Now you can just lower risk because you have the profit.
Yeah, because it keeps it in profit. But you know, for a day like this where it's like it's iffy. Like yesterday was clean, but like today was kind of like it's more of like it's gonna be one of those managed risk days.
Not gonna lie, looking at these higher time frames, I just think there's more room to go higher. I ain't gonna lie. I might, if we can get a retracement, I might look to go long on the retracement because I'm looking at these higher time frames and there's so much just liquidity above. Like, look, this is the 4 hour. We were mad bullish, and look at all these highs we have. All up here. Got these highs. Now we go to the daily. Look to the left on the daily too. I think those are what I marked up though. Yeah, that's what I marked up. But now we're in the middle of looking like we're in the middle of a retracement. So now, if we get a retracement from this high right here to this low, we're in a fib. So let me see that when I go a little bit lower. I might have to go to 15 minute. Okay, it might look a little bit crazy real quick, but I'm gonna explain what everything is. The red dotted lines, those are liquidity areas in the higher time frame. So there's liquidity up right there and right here. And if we look where these are big figure levels. So what I'm gonna do is at 12,600, I'm gonna have one. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Then right here we have 12,550, which is a mid figure level. And I'm gonna mark that up right in there. There, make it less complicated. Remember that 38.20% fib?
Yep. Right there.
Right
yep,
there. I need that short, bro. 12,500. That's where I'm going short. But if we keep falling, then I'm probably gonna try to go long around. Around maybe 12,400, 12,450. I think that would be the ideal scenario. But let me move higher time frame to make sure I could draw this fib, because this area is all this price action in here is sloppy. Like from Asian session to beginning of London session, we had no like clean movements to create a low of the day or an area that I could draw my fib like origin point to look for a continuation. So it's a little bit hard, if you get what I'm saying, to read it.
Okay.
Look, even on the 1 hour, like that area is all diagonal. We only have the 4 hour. So we're gonna see, man. US 30s looking like it's trying to lose momentum also. Alright, looks like price is gonna come up. So once we get to 12,500, I'm gonna be looking to go short.
It'll have that push at the open too when that volume comes in. We'll know. 'Cause if it's not gonna be at 12,500 pre-market for us to get our entry, then there's gonna be some momentum as soon as the market opens. We'll see.
Yeah, more than likely. And ideally, I want to see if we could potentially clear this high so I can get an even better entry. That's ideal. If I can get in at 70.50%, I only gotta have like a 33-point stop loss, which is nice. And if we lose, then it is what it is. But if we win,
that's gonna be a nice risk to reward, R to R.
It's gonna be an amazing one.
Amazing. 30, 35 pips, man. Like
35 or potential 100. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 3 something, 1 to 3 something.
5.
And if it comes lower, you could easily go to 1 to 4. Yeah, ideally, run this high, tap into this order block up here. This one ever get tapped into? It did a little bit, but this is the order block on the 5-minute, like using all the candles. So I ideally right in here. If you look at the order block isn't always one candle. It's when it's all one candle. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be one candle in a different time frame. So you just gotta learn to read it like that. You know what I mean? It takes time, but it's the same concept. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 5-minute. Let's go to say the 20-minute time frame. This is not the 20-minute. Look.
Order block.
Where is it? 20, 2, 4, 6. Let's go to 1 hour then.
On the 30-minute, it's perfect.
30-minute?
Yeah.
Damn, I keep fucking up, fam. Is it capital or something? Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, it's the last up candle. We're still retracing. But y'all get what I'm saying though. We're waiting for it. Price looks like it wants to, because it's failing to have this create this bearish momentum, and it's at this 38.20% on the short-term fib. And it's like I can just, you can see it. Like I didn't draw a fib from it, but if I pull it, watch. Oh, look at that. What I saw. You just learn to see it. So I'm waiting for this push up, clear this high to go short from right here.
Go down to the 5-minute.
Mapping it all out. And in time, we have 5 minutes till the open. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we just don't run for 12,550. That would not be ideal. And when I enter this trade, I'm going to be exiting my other trade, my buy. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm going to exit out of it just to get the most out of the points, because I know this, I'm ideally hoping to see this come down.
Secure profit? Is that what you're Okay.
It's the runner, but still, if I'm expecting price to fall, it would be dumb for me not to just exit the trade while I'm at the highest point I think we're going to be.
Yep. Facts.
And come on, price, you're really failing me right now. Just push. We got to get more monies. Got to get more monies, boy. Maybe if I like put the money on the chart, it'll make more money.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm not a genie, but hey. Yeah, but we just chilling now. We just gotta be patient and wait for the trade. If it don't happen, it don't happen. I ain't stressing it. Oh, that's good though. You can hear me wood over here now. So if I go all the way back here, you can hear me.
Yeah, yeah, I
All
can.
right, bet. So I got two mics now, one for you, and one for them. So how do I sound on this? I've never used this. This is the first time I've used it. I've never used the mic on here.
Might just be setting issues, honestly, like a crossover, like
Yeah, it's just I don't know, but it was when I would set up the Yeti on Zoom, it would take all my audio off, and it was weird. It was doing some weird shit.
bro, I picked up some oil, wax oil, called Sex Panther, bro. That shit smacks.
That shit
I
funny.
started cooking, bro, making chicken nuggets. Fuck, bro. I was just like, shit, man, this shit's bomb.
Nah, it sounds like it. Them pens be killer. Damn, come on, price just come a little bit higher. You wildin'. Yeah, it's a
Man,
1 to
it's a
3 right here.
good map, bro.
Price is being very. I just gotta wait for it to open.
Alright.
There we go. Come on. Few more points. Whatever happens after that, it is what it is. Just stop finessing me, please. Just go higher. This consolidation on the lower time frame is trash. Look at this. Just push. You know you want to. It's about to be the open. That volatility needs to come in.
And then a good target is we do the fib.
I say 12,400.
Yeah, but
Just take more
kind of
off. You said what?
yesterday's low, like yesterday's low to today, like to the high that it made during London, and then you can see those levels and the set between the 70 and 79% fib. There's the 12 a.m. open, which it may want to target. So, or the 62%. That's the high of the Asian session range, which lines up to that essentially 350, 400 level around there, and by the 50% fib might be a good. Is that a fair value gap you would consider during London? Boom, that big expansion.
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of them in there on the lower time frame. But yeah, previous is high is ideally what I'm looking to retrace to because I know there's a chance we could go higher. That's why I'm trying to make sure I get out at a certain area. Because there is a chance, like I said, price to clear out the liquidity on the higher time frame. All right, this open is being very difficult. I'm not trying to hop in, but with the way it's looking, prices on some bullshit. Just come a little higher.
It looks like it. Well, I don't know, man. Honestly, look at it.
The lowest I'll enter is probably when we come back below the 38.20%. And how much of a stop loss would that be? Probably like 50 something now. 65. Oh no, there we go.
There you go, Andre. Get it.
I'm being patient. I'm waiting for it to come to the entry.
There's a funded trader live, guys.
Like, the fuck, bro? Come on, just a little bit, just a little bit. Damn, bro, you did it to me.
500. They had those sell limits.
Oh my god, yes they did. Damn, I'm hopping in now. I don't like how it tapped that, and I'm gonna have the same stop loss though. 40 points, 45. Damn, and let me exit this other trade at 65. Shit, man.
That was less than a second, bro. Like it wasn't your fault, dude. It was like those. I think it was sell limits that were.
That shit just went stupid. All right, 660 points. Cash out. This here, 6668.
You know, motherfucker, right here.
34668. Oh wait. That's why I was on US 30. That's why. Yo.
Oh.
It is what it is. They're both moving the same, but look, I'm on US 30 on my phone.
Better.
Hold on, how wide is this? Because I got in at the wick up here, which still isn't bad, considering 100 points. Oh, so that means I'm up already with 1%. I'm already break even, bro. I got lucky. I realized that because US30 had a bigger size, so I used the size I was gonna use on NAS on US30. But it's cool. I'm using it.
Payday for you, bro.
Yeah, I'm using the same trade though idea. And this shit dropping, bro. I'm already up almost 3%. That was a hey. Well, sometimes it just works out. Sometimes you don't get clapped up. That's what it comes down to. Oh yeah, US30 dropping. Once we get to 3% and clear these lows, I'm out. I'm gonna take my partial, call it a day. Trying to get below these lows though on US30.
Yeah, my boy. Shit, look
Bro,
at
US30 is about to kill shit.
that is. That's an engulfing in the making. Why? Hell no. Fucking Nas just fucking. Oh
Bro, I
no.
know. I'm looking at it. I'm like, bro, I'm so happy I'm somehow in US30 right now. Like, what the fuck?
No. Be cautious.
That's doing that. Ah.
That's that entry.
All right,
that
I
you
need
wanted.
2.5%. That's all I need for at least a good day. So I'm gonna take 2.5 off, which is all I need, and I have a pretty decently sized runner, so it's a little bit. It's 2 times the size of a normal runner. So I took my partial, because the thing is with US30, why I'm able to get out early is because it was a wider size. Instead of a 43-point stop right here, it turned into 105. So now instead of a 40-point drop, this was 110 points. This was my 1 to 3 right here. But I broke even once I realized it, once I was already up what my stop loss was. I just broke even. So the risk reward was still the same. But I still think the US30 is going to reach for these lows. And that was kind of a... I think it's still going to go down, Martin. Don't be too afraid of it. Just make sure you have your proper stop loss.
It's
But
well, it went into that 79% fib, so like right now, so if technically if people wanted to wait for that 507,
you just have it at the high. Because if it's going to go lower, it shouldn't break that high. But if it does, then it is what it is. But US30 is still looking like it wants to come a little bit lower. So don't give up on it yet. Just hold the stop loss. See what happens. Still early. Damn, guys. See, that's a mess up right there. You got to be careful. Happens to the best of us. At least I was able to realize it.
hey, that could have been ugly, bro, but you'd still be in profit, but
Yeah,
still,
I could have potentially went to heavy drawdown if I thought that was my proper stop loss.
you thought it's so the Nasdaq.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this low here is so ugly. Like there's nowhere to draw a fib to. Shit's trash looking. Nah, but even US30's retracing right now. Let's see how NAS is. See, look at NAS. You still got time, bro. Look at that engulfing.
My entries at
And there goes US30.
12.96.
US30 is about to clear the lows. I'm looking for US30 to clear this low, come to the previous day's low. That's what I'm looking to happen. Just target the liquidity. Once I target the liquidity, I'm gonna take my second partial, and maybe even price can come down to 12,500. I think that's likely to happen. Yeah, like that.
Did you let a runner run?
Yeah, it's a 2-time runner. I took a little bit less off. I'm up 123 points. Once we get to 32,500, here I'm gonna take some off right now at the low just to be smart. All right, now I have a run. I'm up 113 points. I'm gonna see where it runs to. Bro, 1 and done. We done. What are we up? Oh my god.
With what lot were you using?
A 3.3.
And then you took 3.3 on, and you said you took 2% off the table automatically already.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, what the fuck, dude? Hey, it paid today, huh?
Look out and look how he retraced after that low. When you know, you know. When you know, you know.
Oh, dude, that's a blessing, bro. Because sometimes they don't move the same.
No, for sure. Now I'm up 2.7% with that trade. So all I was aiming for was 2.5 because I knew price was likely going to retrace, but it did come lower. But after US Nas had that move, I was like, all right, let me think about it. All I need, I'm already up for the week at that, mind you. So I took the 2.5. All you need is 2.5 every 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. That's 10%. And I made that after making profit yesterday. So I'm cool with that. I'm already up 7.4 and it's only Tuesday. I'm cool. I might just chill. I might come to the charts the rest of this week. But if anything, I'm gonna hold this sell to see how it plays out and just see where it goes. Because if you look at the higher time frames, after we cleared these highs, like I was saying, on the 1 hours, so there is a chance we might have a reversal. And if we look for a retracement, we could potentially come maybe down to 32,200 by maybe Thursday. Maybe keep going bullish Friday. You never know.
200 big figure levels right there by the 38% mid level.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh yeah, price.
for short-term move, that's a good target. But I still, depending on how the market sentiment is, man, it might not come back into that bullish order block on the daily and 79% fib level long term. But we'll see. It's there. I see it. So
This would have been a 1 to 8 if I would have had like my stop loss. Would it? Nah, a little bit more.
hey, fuck.
Price is dropping. I would have had a 1 to 5 if I kept my stop loss right now, and I would have been at 1 to 4 exactly right now. But look at that entry. But you could. That's the lesson though. They move very similar. I took a trade on a whole different pair, and got this entry. Imagine. Yeah.
Imagine being on gold going short and it went long because it kind of move opposites more often than not. Shit, you'd have got wrecked.
Real shit, bro. But now I think price is still gonna run for 32,500. Once it gets to 32,500, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. We done. That's all we needed. I don't know. The trading I've been doing lately has been very good. I haven't really been taking that many L's.
Good.
I don't know. Maybe if it's just because I don't care anymore. I don't really have the emotions with it, but it's been great. It's been very good.
Getting your mind out the market, huh? On your bike.
Mm-hmm.
Getting away from the computer.
And I'm about to go on vacation next week, so I'm just chilling.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice.
I'm trying to go to a strip club.
Fuck, there's your one to. No, not yet. Not yet.
It's about to be 1 to 5, yeah, almost.
Oh, dude, where? Come on, Nas. What the fuck? It's still cruising around entry for me.
I don't know. Some days I'm lucky, some days I'm not. Like I'm somehow in the trade that played out when you was. Yesterday I took US 32 though, which is kind of funny. Oh, there goes Nas. I don't know, man. Just gotta wait, see what happens. Just let it do what it does.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't hit stop loss, you're still in it. Still in the race.
I wish I would have waited though instead of getting in right at like 500 levels for that retracement into the 79% fib because it's like an extra 20.
You got in at 500?
496.
Oh, that's not bad though. That's not a bad entry. It's still pretty close.
Yeah, but
Like you don't even have a 50-point stop loss. Not even, right?
44. But
Yes.
I was debating a sell limit at 500. So it just is what it is. Market.
Nah, you good, bro. Just keep the stop loss right there. If it stops it out, just wasn't meant to happen.
Yeah, get on, go
But
from
mind you,
there.
US 30's falling, so it might just only be a matter of time. Just gotta wait, keep the stop loss, because this number came to the high, and if they're moving similar, this might just keep turning into wicks, and then keep going lower, because they're not identical. You get what I'm saying? It's not always gonna be perfect, but keep in mind, look how it's reacting right now. You know what I mean?
It's having a hard time breaking above that 79% fib now.
Just gotta be patient. Patience is key.
You ever heard that one
130
song?
point.
It might be a little old for you, but it's called Dedication.
Dedication?
Yeah, I forgot who sings it, but it's like all it took was some patience. Uh,
I don't even know. I'm waiting for this to hit 32,500 so I can get the screenshot, call it a day, and then go on with my life.
oh, it's not called Dedication. It's called something else.
Damn, bro. Come on. Come a little bit lower.
Oh, Joey Badass, Devastated. My bad,
He
bro.
said devastated. He said dedication.
Yeah.
He funny.
Okay. Okay. Shit. Yeah. Fuck, dude. About to get wrecked. Come on. Fucking liquidity sweep. I'll be fucking pissed, bro.
Man, just gotta let it do. Right now, US30's going for his retracement too. But look how after it came to these lows, I be telling y'all. Because remind you, price could potentially go bullish now for US30 at least. Oh yeah, there goes. Yeah, there's slowly going NAS. It might start to go higher. I ain't gonna lie. If it
Yeah,
goes
dude,
for
I'm
this,
getting nervous.
or maybe a false break, but he might come to 12,550 after clearing this high up here. So, mind you, those are always options.
Yeah. Yep.
Shit, I would have been right taking this out with you. I don't know. I got saved. But
But it's
mind you,
all good.
remember how I say the 38.20% always aren't long-term moves? Look how price tapped into it earlier. Came lower, it's going higher. Came lower, it's going higher. Might falls break and then come lower. You never know. But hey, just give it time. Your stop loss at this high, right?
It's at 12 50 or 5. What's my
12,550.
wait up? I'm checking.
It might be different with FTMO, but
12
it's looking
12
like it's still.
545. A little different with FTMO.
What is it? 12,545. That's on TradingView.
Oh no, that's 12 545 on what's it called? FTMO. So I would say it's probably on the charts a little bit higher than what it looks like on the chart.
Oh, alright.
So probably at 12 550 on the chart on TradingView.
Yeah, this looks like it wants to push. How's your 30 looking? Your 30 still looking clean. Potential retracement coming. Looks like it's rejecting 38.20%. Almost. If this really wants to play out and reverse, ideally I'm targeting Asian session lows. This wants to fully reverse. But that's only if it happens. I'm just leaving the runner. I'm still majority out. Oh, but that's a nice trade, man. Nice trade. You said what?
I said if anybody heard that it was at the weekly low, I said my bad. I didn't move my weekly low trend line to this last week's low. Is at the previous week's low, so it threw me off.
Oh man, yeah, price ain't really moving right now. Price is like slowly consolidating now. Oh no, there it goes. Yeah, there goes Nas. Looking like another false break situation. He's gotta wait for it to close though. Close bearish. Yeah, there you go.
That's looking good. Okay, I'm in profit, bro. That was scary. Honestly, bro, I was just gonna no. You know what? I wasn't gonna close my trade. I
Man,
was
I
just
hope not. You got the stop loss for that.
yeah, bro. I was like, fuck. Bro, it got me kind of nervous, but I just didn't give a fuck because it's 1%. I'm up 2%, so that means I'm not. I'm not a good. I'm not like their level yet, but like to me, I know that I could take two L's and still be zero for the fucking week. So
Nah, yeah, bro. It just
I think
takes time.
I'm profit. FTMO, you said they give a free retry if you don't make your 10%. If within your, if, as long as you're a little bit profitable, you can get a free retry. But if I can't even be profitable on a month in a demo, then I'm not gonna kid nobody. Like I'll do this for fucking 10 years if that's what it fucking takes.
No
I
cap.
doubt it. Shit.
Sometimes it takes longer than the other. Everyone's time comes different.
Like with fucking Japanese culture, like you're like the head student with the fucking teaching the other people how to fucking swing a sword to
Nah,
fucking
no cap. I'm just teaching y'all what I know, and I still gotta learn more too.
y'all taking heads off or cutting
See?
trees down
There
and
you
not
go. That's all it is.
nice
All it is.
patience.
I knew it was bound to happen. You'll start these mad bearish, didn't clear the high. Look, failed to clear the high. That's why I'm telling you with these stop losses, they gotta be in specific areas, not random. It's for the best interest. And always have a good risk reward. Cause like me, even if you're wrong, you could be right. You just gotta be able to get in and out. Don't get greedy and start trying to hold like, ooh, now I can over leverage. Nah, bruh, just get out. That's how you make the money. That's how you
I
make
got
the
past that
money.
stage. I got
So
past
what?
that stage of over leveraging, and I think I'm getting like I'm just over that like that hurdle of over trading. Like I'm pretty sure I got a good grasp on that now.
Yeah, bro, it's just one to two of that. That's all you need. Anything more can start to damage you unless you're like really using low risk, which a lot of people aren't. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, price is more than likely gonna come down to 12,400 now. So just at least hold to there, or at least hold to clearing this low. I don't know what your stop loss is, so I don't know your risk reward. But if you can get out of here at this low at least like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, I would, and leave a runner.
Once it kind of breaks through my 1-to-1, I'm gonna move stop loss to break even.
Yeah, it's a good move. Good move.
Yeah, it just needs to get below. Needs to go. Just needs to start going through. It's not just holding above it. It needs to go down.
Damn, another day, another good trade.
Yeah, dude, fucking 3%.
There we go. Come on, you start. Tap 32,500. That's all I'm waiting for. I've been waiting for it for a minute. That would be like 150, 160 points. Then I'll probably take my last partial and just let the runner run. There we go.
There it is.
All right, 150. Up 150. Come on. Get that little retracement in. Candle. I know you want to. You're going to retrace in the beginning of the candle. Then you're going to keep falling. Look, beginning of the candle. Retrace. Tap previous day's high. Now it's going to reject.
Create that little wick.
Yep. It's going to come back down to 32,500 eventually. Nope. Come back up. Tap into that order block. Reject. See if it keeps below the previous day's low though.
I moved my stop. I tightened up my stop loss to above these highs that it just created. Just to kind of tighten it up a little bit. But there's this order block too on Nas, 15-minute candle. If it breaks above that order block high, it's probably gonna keep going up. So
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get out at 32,500 at least, so I can, because I know there's still a chance it might go higher. That's why I'm just trying to secure what I can. But once you get below these lows on 1 to 2, 1 to 3, just take the partial. Don't try to hold. You can hold with a runner, so it's not full position.
So when you see that, like 1 to 2, like when it gets so if I'm risking 44 points, it has to go into 88 points for me to.
At least take something.
At 88.
If at 1 to 2 though, I would take the full position off. I wouldn't take a partial at 1 to 2. At 1 to 3, you could take a partial.
My 1 to 2 is at 12,408. So
Like only take partial with your 1 to 2 is what I'm saying. You get what I mean? How do I say it? Like you take 2% off, so it might be 1 to 2.1 really, or 1 to 2.2 in reality. But that at your TP, you're looking to take 2% off, not take a partial. You get what I'm saying? And at TP3, you're ideally wanted to take 3% off. So it might be like the risk reward might really be a 1 to 3.2, if you get what I'm saying.
You're gonna have to explain that a little later.
Like I'm saying, what you take the percentage off. So say you're risking $100. You're 1 to 1. That's up $100. 1 to 2 is up $200. 1 to 3 is up $300. If you take a partial exactly at 1 to 2, you're not going to be able to make that 2%. You got to take it a little bit higher than what it really is what I'm saying. So at 1 to 2, make sure you're taking a partial that is worth 2%. And at 1 to 3, make sure you take a partial that is worth 3%. You know what I'm saying? Because if you take it exactly when you hit it, it's not going to be the full amount of what you should be percentage wise. You know what I mean?
Okay, so let me just kind of
like ask a question about it.
So if I get to TP2 and I'm doing the risk reward tool and I see the 2, once it gets to 2, you're telling me
once it gets to 2, look at your MetaTrader to see if you're up 2% or whatever you're supposed to be up, because you might be at 1.9 1.7 at that 1 to 2. You got to let it go slightly higher to be able to take that partial. That's why if you ever realize when I get to 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, I'm like, all right, let's a little bit higher, just a little bit higher, so I can take my partial, because I need it to get to a certain point for me to be able to take that full percentage off. Because if I take it exactly there, I might only take 1.9% off the trade. And what if I lose 1.5% tomorrow?
Yeah,
it's not.
So right now, I'm sitting at like I'm $300 to get to 1%. It would need to be at $500. So that's just for me to move my stop loss to break even. And then what you're telling me is when it gets to like $1,000, that's 2%. And you're telling me to wait for it to go a little bit higher. Like
so you can take the full 1,000 off and still leave a runner. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you still want to be able to hold the position, but you want to be able to get your percentage out. So sometimes, remember when I missed the whole trade because I was waiting for the TP to take that partial and it reversed? Sometimes it happens, but that's what that's what you need to do. You got to be disciplined enough to try to take that percentage, because now if you lose a trade, the risk reward is now 1%, 2%, not 1.3, 1.34 up. You get what I'm saying? It has to be consistent equity growth, and it has to be, you get what I'm saying? That's how you do it.
Yeah.
But if you're not taking the exact partial of what you need, you might tend to be up or down a little bit less than what you're supposed to be. Oh, 22,500 just got hit. Taking my last partial off. That's how you do it. And just like that, we out. And they were talking about being bullish. Man, you gotta be willing to get in and out. I'm bullish long term still, but short term, I'm gonna see how low this goes.
Might have gotten a good entry, dude, honestly.
Who?
Me?
Yeah, you good, bro. If you got in at the big figure level, you're good regardless. Cause that might have not happened that big ass wick.
On the hour chart? Are you looking? Okay. Yeah,
I'm on the 5. Like even if you look on the 15-minute, it's still you still got damn near the same entry as me. Mine's slightly better, but I mean, I ain't meant for it to be. I got in early. You know what I'm saying? Like it didn't even come to where I wanted it to. That was just off, just hopping in to hop in. I just got lucky with that, honestly. And it wasn't even on my pair, so I was just like, hey, well, it be like that sometimes.
Shit, bro. There's motherfuckers out there, bro. They're all like, how did they know?
Real shit.
Did they know? How did they know?
Yeah, little did they know, I'm just a fucking genie.
Bro, fuck yeah, dude. Like, dude, I actually sat down with one of my friends recently. He's like, Martin, I get it. I need to start. It's just a starting issue. You know, and I was like, yeah, bro, like, you don't have to start this when you retire, like what society says. I said, you can do this shit now and just practice, because that's all you got is time until you're 50.
Real shit, bro. 50, and you can do it for free, bro. You don't really got to lose money to make money if you study the right stuff correctly. You don't. Because you can demo trade. Everything you need to know is right in front of you for free on TradingView. Everything you need to know is right in front of you. We just don't know what to look for. That's what it comes down to. But if no one was here to teach us, we would end up finding a way just from repeatedly finding the patterns that happen on a daily basis. Like if I never studied ICT or anyone on YouTube, I just would have started journaling the daily ranges like I am now and making my own words for them basically. And like, oh, this happened here. Oh, this happened here. Oh, this happened here too. I just would have made my own little language. And that's what happens. That's how humans are. We elevate, we innovate, all of that. And look how price is reacting after these targets. Well, when you know, you know, man. When you know, you know. Just gonna let it run. I'm up 140 points, but it's retracing deeply. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna hold the sell because this is a pretty good entry. If you guys want to see my entries, just go to the Telegram. I sent them all in there. Here, I'm gonna send the last one. If you want to see the entry, Martin, look at this. And it's crazy how all of my trades look the same. I look back at it, I'm like, damn, all of my trades be looking crazy. Like it's just how I trade though. Like the way I trade, like the setup leads to those types of trades. You get what I'm saying? Because if you go to my like FBA trading capital Instagram, I haven't been on it really that much, but if you look at it, it's like, damn, all his trades are pretty like spot on. Even if it's by like 40-50 pips, that's still good. That's still good. Being like to catch the lower high. But hey, sometimes you be better than you even realize. It'd be like that sometimes.
To you, does it seem easy now, or not easy? But it's
Not the trading itself, I would say it's easy, but it's the other stuff that gets hard. Self-discipline, following the rules. The trading itself is easy because it's just pressing buy or sell. Honestly, the learning is just learning. Learning's not really difficult. It just takes time to really get it. The hardest part is learning yourself and being in control of yourself. That's the hard part, because anybody can learn to trade. I could teach a kid how to trade, but if they don't have the discipline to say not over trade or take the proper setups or not trade certain days, then they're gonna end up losing over time. You get what I mean?
yeah, I feel
And
like
it's not gonna be fun, and it's just you're gonna end up quitting. I just came to the point where I did all the time. I'm in year 3 of my trading. I've been trading indexes basically my whole time. So all of my experiences majority from this. So that's why I'm able to elevate in a timely manner, because I have daily ranges. I also, since I try to teach people, it gives me like another viewpoint of the market. So I have to like go down levels to try to explain to other people, and that kind of makes you better overall.
yeah, dude, and that's what they say in schools is like when you're able to teach a subject, it not only helps you, or it doesn't help the student or the person you're telling it to. It helps like solidify it because you're like speaking it like vocal cords, and the way we learn things, it's kind of it picks it up. That's just the perfect way to like be masterful is when by teaching it.
I know. That's why I like doing it. Look at that retracement. Oh my god. That's a big, that could go start flying. If we being honest, how's that's looking? Take partial on that if you didn't. Like now that I'm looking at it. Like see how it reacted after clearing that low? How it made that like big doji?
Yeah.
That's exactly why I wanted you to take a partial there.
When you said partial, I got kind of FOMO. So I took half off when I should have just probably taken.
Now you should have took it like 80%.
Okay.
Cause half off now, what's that? What? It depends what you're up.
I was only up like 380 bucks, not even 1%.
Yeah, you should have. Oh, you took. Yeah. Wait, what's your stop loss?
It was still at
How many points are you up right now?
496. It's like
If
30
you
points.
tap on it. Tap on your trade,
Oh, okay.
and then read. Oh, be the left blue. Like, what's the first 2 numbers? Cause you're on MetaTrader 5, right?
at 9.6. So
96, 96. Yeah, you should. That should have been your 1 to 2. You should at least, if you're up 96 points and you risk only
no
45,
no no no. Well, say that again. How do I look at the points that I'm up?
just click on the trade, like on
Yeah.
the position, the trade screen,
And
and it'll be like the blue left on the bottom. Like look to the
oh,
left.
it says 4, 3, 7, 3, 5, 8. Well, it's 4,000.
So what's the first two? That would be like what you are.
3, 3,
So you're up
9,
33 points.
3, 3.
You're up 33 points. That's how you read it. You got what I'm saying?
Shit.
That's how you
Okay.
can read it.
I didn't know.
Yeah, now you know, man. Now it'll make your life easier. That's how I always know how much I'm up. Just I click on the trade.
Well, damn, dude. I think that's just gonna help me out at the end of the day. Thanks, Andre.
Yes, sir.
Shit,
I was
hell
like,
yeah.
damn. Yeah, I was like, damn, it takes this long for him to get it. I was like, maybe he doesn't know. He could do this. Because it's only on MetaTrader 5 you could do that.
Yeah, I just realized that I could even click on that screen. I just didn't know what that. I never really looked at that blue line.
Yeah, because that's really how many points you're up in reality, like according to MetaTrader.
Okay.
Like I'm up technically 7,390 points since it's an index. Like that's just how much it's worth. But nah, I'm done for the day. I'm about to journal this trade for you guys. You guys want to see it? I got you. Why not, bro? The last few trading weeks, I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just the markets are getting better now with the spring, but it's been amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Not gonna cap.
Yeah,
I haven't really been losing like that.
Plus the Nasdaq. We've been focusing more on Nasdaq. Like I feel like the setups are cleaner and easier to see. And then now that the market, like I feel you when the markets are moving more clean. Like it's even better. Like they're A plus plus kind of feeling.
Nah, yeah, bro. Here, I'm about to make it so you guys can see my chart. If you want to watch how I journal it, Martin, you could just look on the stream.
Yeah.
Where's it at? There we go. Let me move it over. Alright, I'm gonna take my. Matter of fact, I don't gotta take my camera off. These are daily ranges. If I'm gonna go to my trades journal, I'm gonna full screen it. Alright, you guys can see them all now. Okay, as you can see, these are my trades from the last few weeks. Look at this. Here, tell me when you're watching mine.
I'm watching your live stream, but
Alright, you just gotta let it catch up.
a little faster. Yeah, like 3 seconds. It's no problem.
Yeah, just let it catch up, and then once I'm gonna start scrolling down. Just look at the percentage. Look, minus 1.5, plus 4.8, minus 1.5, plus 3, plus 3, plus 0.9. That was like a break-even day. Plus 3.1, plus 3.2, minus 0.6, plus 1.5, plus 4.6, and today, plus 2.8. So almost 3%. And this was on US 30. The trade was a bearish reversal. Is ideally what I'm looking to have. See if price keeps going lower. The confirmations, we had a fib short with the order block rejection. Was it big figure? It didn't come to a big figure level, but we had an order block rejection above the 12 a.m. open. What else do we have? That's really it. It was just like a clean little retracement in anticipation of it's gonna fall. And then we had false breaks of higher time frame highs, like Monday and yesterday's highs. Green day percentage, I'm almost up 1 to 3, but I'm gonna say it's up 1 to 2, not 1 to 3. Yeah, but we'll see. And then I'm up plus 2.8%. But look at the risk to reward on this shit from the past few weeks. Just look at this. I haven't had one day where I lost more than 2% in since April 12th. Damn. But that's what happens. There's less trades. I've been trading less. Yeah, that's really it right there, guys. I don't really have much else to show you guys. I'm gonna just see how US 30 ends up playing out. I'm still holding my runner on US 30, so nonetheless, we'll see what happens. Appreciate everyone for being here. Enjoy everyone for coming out. Hopefully you're able to make money on this trade. If you were, make sure you tag me. I got you for the free. But nah, that's really it. I'm about to end the stream off now though. So appreciate everyone for being here. And Martin, if you have anything to say, you can say it.
Guys, be disciplined. Don't FOMO. Just take one trade a day if you're learning. Try to just take one trade a day. Have the discipline to do
Bro,
that.
that's all. If you could take one trade a day, regardless how shitty you are, you will be so much better off learning that way because you'll learn the discipline. So now, once you learn what trades to actually take, you'll be a beast. Because now you only take one trade. You get what I'm saying? So by the time you learn what to actually look for, you're gonna have the discipline. Oh my God, there goes US 30 even more. This shit's just making me cry. Makes me want to cry, man. Too much money being made.
Fuck, bro. My position got stopped out right at the retracement on this. I moved my stop loss to break even.
You said what?
And I moved the stop loss to break even, and it took me out right at the pip, bro, where the retracement was on the Nasdaq. So I'm done for the day. I'll be back tomorrow, but
yeah, bro, we done. Oh, you got stop break even?
well, it was essentially break even day for me.
Okay, that shit is cool. It's better than lose day for sure.
Yeah, and it was because I moved my stop loss to break even, and it had this little like recent retracement, and right at the very tip, because I had it at, I guess right at the tip. I sent you a screenshot.
On Telegram.
But
now I'm gonna end it off for here, you guys. Everyone be safe. I'll talk to you